Sustainability Shorts.
We all know that paper can be recycled, but what about wrapping paper? Well, depending on the type that you use, the answer could be yes or no. If the wrapping paper that you choose to use has metal foil, glitter, or is covered in ribbons and bows, then you're going to need to remove those before you put them in the recycling bin. The good news is that ribbons and bows can be used from year to year. Now, before you run off to the store looking for sustainable wrapping paper, try looking around your house first. Lunch bags, old newspapers, maps, books, just any kinds of paper that you'd normally put in the recycling bin can be upcycled into beautiful wrapping or tissue paper. And don't be afraid to think outside of the box. Literally, think about inside the bag. Gift bags are so easy to store, and they can be reused from year to year. Whatever holiday you celebrate, and however you celebrate it, we want to thank you for doing so responsibly. We'll see you next time on Sustainability Shorts. Bye!